Let's begin this fun and educational journey through the English alphabet. Ready? Let's go.
D is for
Dog. Dog.
Say it with me.
Dog.
D is for
Duck. Duck.
Say it with me.
Duck.
D is for
Door. Door.
Say it with me.
Door.
D is for
Dress. Dress.
Let's say it together.
Dress.
D is for
Drum. Drum.
Say it with me.
Drum.
D is for
Desk. Desk.
Now say it with me.
Desk.
Let's review what we've learned. What is about this?
Dog. Dog.
And this?
Duck. Duck.
What is about this?
Door. Door.
And this?
Dress. Dress.
And this?
Drum. Drum.
And finally,
Desk. Desk.
great job. Thank you for learning with us. See you next time.